how to play Free Fire on Chromebook with keyboard and mouse. Now, basically, as you can see, I'm moving around with my keyboard freely in Free Fire. However, there's one major problem you need to know about. Now, while Chrome OS does well to give us a game dashboard, which also gives us the controls and allows us to map different keys from our keyboard to different buttons on the game, it doesn't give us the option to lock our mouse in place or to even give us the option to use our mouse to shoot. And because of this big problem, we were unable to use both the keyboard and the mouse together on the Google Android app or the one that is from the Play Store. And that is why in this video, I'm going to give you 5 different cloud gaming sites that are free and will allow you to play this game with both your keyboard and your mouse. Now, I'm going to give you 5 different websites that allow you to play this with both your keyboard and mouse. And the first one is gd7plays.blogspot.com/2025. Another forward slash you type in 10. And then the last forward slash you type in fr.html and hit enter right away. Great. Now, once on this page, just go ahead and go to link 1. Click on link 1 and try it out. And then let me know if that works for you. Now, the second link to try out is gd7plays.blogspot.com/2025, another forward slash 10, and then the last forward slash, and then this time around you want to go and type ft.html and then hit enter once again. Now, once here again, go ahead and try out link 2 and let me know if link 2 worked best for you. Now, the third link to try out is gd7plays.blogspot.com/2025/10, another forward slash, and this time around you want to type in rs.html and hit enter again. Now, once you're again, go ahead and try out link 3 and let me know if this also works for you. Now, the fourth link to try out is gd7plays.blogspot.com/2025/10, another forward slash, and you want to type in yt.html and hit enter once again. Great. Now, once on this page, just go ahead and try the fourth link and let me know if this link works for you guys. Now, for the last link, you want to go ahead and type in gd7plays.blogspot.com/2025, another forward slash 10, and then the last forward slash, and you want to type in fs.html and hit enter again. Great. Now, once all this fits site, just go ahead and try out this fit link and let me know if these work for you. The reason why we're using cloud gaming services is because Chrome OS hasn't given us the option just yet to use our pointer or to use the mouse lock to be able to play games natively on Chrome OS. But that's it. It's your boy GD7 Plays, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure to comment down if you have any other problem, and see you guys in my next video. Peace out.